In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize invoice templates in Zoho Books. First, head to Zoho Books in your browser and sign into your organization. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard or the Invoices module. It doesn't matter which page you start from because all the template controls live in Settings. The key is simply to be inside the correct organization where you want the template to be available. Now, click on Settings. You'll find it by selecting the gear icon within Zoho Books. If you have multiple roles in your account, make sure you're using a profile with permission to manage templates. Otherwise, some options may be hidden. Settings brings all your configuration tools into one place so you can change how your documents look without affecting your underlying transactions. Inside Settings, open the section for Invoice Templates. In many accounts, this appears under Templates, and then you'll choose Invoices as the document type you want to configure. Selecting Invoices tells Zoho Books that you're editing how your sales invoices will be generated and formatted, which is separate from other documents like estimates or credit notes. Next, switch to the PDF Templates view. This area controls the layout that your customers will see when they download or receive a PDF copy of your invoice. PDF templates are especially important because they lock in fonts, spacing, header and footer details, and the exact placement of information such as billing addresses, item tables, and totals. To create a fresh design, click New. You'll be prompted to choose a base layout. Pick one that aligns with your brand's tone, minimal, modern, or more detailed. From here, you can adjust elements like your company logo placement, accent colors, fonts, and line spacing. You can show or hide fields such as payment terms, item SKU, discounts, and taxes. And you can fine-tune column labels to match the language your customers expect. Naming the template clearly, for example, Retail Invoice PDF, will make it easier to find later. Take a moment to ensure your address formats, date styles, and currency symbols are correct for your region, and verify that your terms and notes sections include the right guidance for customers. When you're satisfied with the look and the fields, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and adds the new template to your invoice options so you can select it whenever you create or send an invoice. That's it. You've created and customized a professional PDF invoice template in Zoho Books, ready to use with your clients.